This is Vrushali and you are watching Vrusharaj Classes YouTube channel. In my tuition, whenever we explain any sums to the students and when we solve it on the board, students find it very easy. Whenever I ask them the question, did you understand? Whether it's easy, they nod their head and they say yes. Then after solving 3-4 sums, if I ask them to solve 1 or 2 sums independently, okay, they solve it. Answer is also correct. But the problem what we face here is the students, they take lot of time to solve those sums. And what is the reason for this? Why they take so much time to solve the sums which they have already understood properly? The problem is the calculations. Yes, sometimes the simple multiplication, simple division is quite time consuming for them. So to solve this problem, I have started the series of the videos which explain some easy tricks which will help you to solve your sums fast. Like some of the videos what I have already uploaded is how to find square of the number, how to find cube of the number, how to multiply the numbers by grid method. Then one more is how to multiply any number by single digit number. So which trick I am going to explain in this video. One simple but very important thing which is required is multiplication of double digit by double digit number. So in this video I am going to explain very easy and simple technique how you can multiply double digit number by a double digit number. So let's see how is this simple technique. Let's start with this simple sum, 65 into 37. Usually how you multiply this number, 7 into 65, write the answer, put one 0 or plus sign, then 3 into 65, write the answer, add that answer and then your final answer is ready. So how is this simple technique? Just watch carefully. It's very easy. So what we have to do first is multiply 3 by 6. 3 6 are 18. Write this answer here. Then next what we have to do? 3 into 5, 15. This 15 we have to write, this one should come below 8, 50. 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42. 42 should come below 50. 7 5s are 35. This 35 we are supposed to write like this. And lastly, just add this. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 1 comes here, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14, 1 comes here, 1 plus 1 2. 2405 is your answer. So what we are supposed to do first? Multiply this tens digit, write the answer. Then we have to multiply 3 into 5, 7 into 6, write the answers one below the other. 7 into 5, write the answer in this way. Just add the simple digits, our answer is ready. Let's see one more example. 38 into 24. 2 into 3. First we have to multiply tens digits. 2 into 3, 6. See in our previous sum, all the answers, means whichever numbers we multiplied, our answers were in double digit. But now 2 into 3, answer is in single digit. So we have to just make it double digit by adding 0 before 6. So 2 3s are 6, we have to write this way. 2 8s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32. Finish. Just add this. Let's add this now. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 comes here. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So here is 0. So 912 is our final answer. 38 into 24 is 912. Let's see one more last example. Next example, 91 into 52. 5 into 9, 45. 5 into 1 is 5. Now even this answer is single digit. So what we have to do? We have to make it double digit by adding 0 before 5. 5 ones are 5. We have to write this 5 like this. 0, 5. 2 nines are 18. 2 ones are. Again it's single digit. 2 ones are 2. It's single digit. So we'll write this 2 like this. Come on. Let's add this. 2. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 comes here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 4. 4,732. 4,732 is the answer when we multiply 91 by 52. So you can practice few more sums by taking some different double digit, multiplied by some double digit, and check how this method works for you. It's very simple method. Many of our students follow this method for multiplication in our class and their calculations becomes very fast. So if you want the updates of such useful videos, so what you have to do? You have to subscribe our channel so that you will get the updates of such interesting videos. So thank you so much for watching this video.